Al Fix It here. I'm going to fix up this mirror. So this is a quick, easy way to dress things up. This just a plain old mirror, and we're going to fix it all up. Here, let me show you what I've got here. I've got some of these full-length pieces here, and then I've got these little things here to go in the corners, and then I'm gonna just stick it all on with these little what are they, command strips? You could do this whole job with a tape measure. That's it. I mean, you could have this pieces cut down there at the Lowe's or Home Depot for you. Bring them home and stick it together with this, and you could do this in an apartment and not damage anything. Take it down when you're done. This is a cool, fun little project. Hang in there, I'll show you how I do it. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is to stick these pieces right here in the corner of the mirror. I'm going to put that one here, and then up in the top as well. And I'm going to just stick them on with the little stuff right here. Okay, now we'll put this in here. Now you don't want to put this too close to the edge, because when you got a mirror here and you're right next to the edge, then the mirror will show, it'll basically show you that piece. So you don't want it exactly right next to the edge. You want to go in a little bit. You won't believe how easy this is. This like I say, hardly any tools necessary. No power tools necessary for this job. Just stick these things in the corners. And here we go. Oh, let's see how we like it right in. Oh, I gotta peel the back here on this. There we go. Alright. Now we'll do the similar thing we did over there. There. Alright. So now I've got these glued on there. Now I'm just going to measure between. So you measure between these blocks. Anyway, measure each one carefully, because they're not going to be exact as the same as each other, you know. So because you just stuck these on the corners, so you want to measure each one carefully, what it is. And then you can go, when you buy these things down at Lowe's or Home Depot, you can tell them, and they will cut these exactly the right size for you. Okay, just to show you how easily these command strips work, you pull one of these out here, and you tear it in half and stick it to itself like that. Squeeze it down, and then you peel one of these off, and you tear that off like that, and then you stick it on your, supposedly your frame or whatever you're doing. This time it's a mirror frame. Okay, stick it on there, and now I'm going to take this other one off here, and this one. Make sure that's squished down there good, and then take this peel off the back. Now it's ready to stick on the mirror. Going up here, there's something I wanted to show you because it's kind of important. Your square things in the corner, they don't go exactly in the corner. Stick them over the edge of the mirror for 1/4 of an inch, and then it'll come out right. There is the finished mirror frame. So remember now, like I said, you want to, when you put the corner pieces on first, at first I lined them up with a corner of the mirror, and that's a mistake. So you want to stick it over a 1/4 of an inch so that you, when you put this one on, it's narrower and you can center it in the middle, and this will be at the edge of the mirror. See, this is at the edge of the mirror. This one's down a little bit so that it centers nicely. All done. Look at that nice mirror frame. Okay, now I'll be just, me and my helper here. I couldn't have done it without my helper Blue here. And check us out on our other channel called the Blue Hippo. And I cut those pieces with a simple little saw. Even though I have power tools, you don't need power tools to do this project. So have fun. I hope it's helpful. Adios and ciao.